To customize your stadium in FC26 Ultimate Team, first of all, we'll need to click on a stadium when we're in Ultimate Team mode, enter it, and then look for a structure right here. Click on it, and then you can change your stadium template. From here, if you have any options, you can pick whichever one you like. Then you can change the stadium theme. We also have a stadium color. If you have something, then you can choose it. Then there's a seat colors. Then there's the VIP area. Then we have our goal net color. And next is goal pyrotechnics that you can also choose. And next is pitch line color. Next is a pitch mow pattern, and you can also choose it. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.